channel, The Amazing Book Reading. Today we're going to read Home is Where the Birds Sing. Home is where you come from in the rain. And where you have a little nap after a bite. And it is where you are welcome. Home is where someone calls you sweetie or dear, or a dozen other names for love. If it's where you wake up and look at pictures on the wall, and where you have blankets. Home is where you freshen up or hide if you don't want to freshen up. It is where your friends can find you. Home is where there are stories to tell and stories to hear. It is where your own story starts. Home is where the birds sing. And where the moon shines on you at night. It is where you will run if you ever need to run. And where you will find the door wide open. Home is where everything waits for you. Waits for you. Waits for you. And when you come back is from anywhere. It is where you will feel at home. Thank you, everyone. Please check out all of our other videos. Thank you. Bye.